Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we'll show you how to download and install Rapido Captain application on your Android phone. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up the Google Play Store application on your Android device for that. And once you open up the Play Store application, you can look out for the search. And from here, look out for the option of Rapido Captain and find it up. So let's head over and search for Rapido Captain here. And once you find it up, look out for the results. And there we go. This is the following application. Right now it is not available in my region, but this is the application you are looking for. So once you find it up, all you gotta do is basically look out for the install option. You can usually find an install option for different applications. So let me just show you. For example, let's say this is the Rapido Captain. You just need to look out for the install option and tap on it. And once installed, you can open the application and sign up or log in with your phone number and complete up the verification process and start earning as a Rapido Captain. And that is it. That's how you basically go ahead and install and set up the Rapido Captain application on your device. So do not forget to like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.